Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry to share with you today, and this is coming from Stacy Flynn, who's Banners Galore and More on Instagram. And she also is, so the number 33 is from Miss Stacy, and I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with Miss Stacy. She is very talented, and oh, look at this beautiful box already. Let's see. Says here's her tag, and it says, "Hello Eileen, happy birthday. Thanks for hosting this fun challenge. Enjoy your goodies. Love, Stacy SM Flynn 23 on Instagram." And she is Banners Galore and More on Etsy. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. Look at this gorgeous little shreds. Holy smithers, Stacy! Look at you! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow! I just had to take a really quick photo, but thank you so much, Stacy. Look at her goodness! Oh my goodness! She's got bows. Double layered bows. Oh my goodness, with the little pearlies in the centers. Gorgeous. Look at that. And then she also has the little foam balls right here, guys. Oh my gosh, let me grab a bucket real quick. Let me see. Let me not use that one. Here we go. That's a plain one. This is, oh my gosh, so crazy. Look at that. Oh, there's something else. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She made a stack of balloons, guys. And she has the super fine wires right here. And she added a little bow right there. This is so sweet. Wow, I love that. Thank you so much, Stacy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more bows. Look, that's why I like digging through it, because look at this. Holy cow, that is a lot. I'm just going to grab all the balls. Grab the balls, but okay. We can do that later. Look at her beautiful entry, guys. She did this really quick. I think it was 4 or 5 days ago. She asked for the mailing it. Oh no, 3 days ago. Anyway, it's here. It made it, Stacy. Thank you so much for participating. And let's share your gorgeous, gorgeous creation. Oh my gosh. She used the Hooray paper collection. Look at this fuzzy pom-pom ball. So beautiful. She's got more of the stacked balloons, and you can see the wires back here. She's got banners, layers and layers, guys. Look at her memory decks. Just pile it on. That is so awesome. I love layers. She's got a little pleated paper back here, and on top of that, she's got some of the stars and some ephemera pieces, a party hat, some presents. This is a puffy sticker, and she also has the thickers. It says hooray. Oh my gosh, look at all these layers of stars. You got the thicker stars also. Oh my goodness. Girl, you were quick. And she also has stitching. I mean, this is what I was talking about, guys, about being an easy, quick challenge. Put together your memory decks card, and even if you don't have the die, you could send it in, and I'll take care of the rest as long as you leave the bottom space right here open. And then let's see what she's got on her back. Okay, so she has her information on the back. It says Stacy Flynn. Her birthday is May 12th. May 12th. And her Instagram, I already shared that, SM Flynn, FLYNN 23. And she's Banners Galore and More on Instagram. And she loves pink, mint, gold, silver, Annie Maggie Holmes, and Bloom is her favorite collection. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Thank you, Stacy. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it, love it. And I also love the Hooray collection. Just saying, guys. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much for all your beautiful creations, your bows, your wonderful balloons. I'm thanking you because, oh my gosh, what a great idea just to create your own, especially if you have the balloon punch. Every holiday, you could do that. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Stacy. Guys, please go check her out. Check out her Etsy. I will leave the links in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.